How to fix Roblox error code 268 on mobile. So if you want to fix the Roblox error code 268 on your mobile, then first you need to simply restart your device, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So to restart, simply press and hold on to that power button and you will get a restart option and restart your device, and after restarting your many problems will be fixed. But even after restarting your problem doesn't fix, then you need to check your internet connection. Like sometimes your internet might be down or your Roblox server might be down. So what you need to do is simply go with your browser or your Google, anything that you're comfortable with, and go with the search. Under search, you need to search for internet speed test or search for is Roblox down right now. And if you have any issues with Roblox, if the browser says it's down, then that means you just need to simply wait for a few minutes or a few hours, or you can simply try after 24 hours and your problem will be fixed. And the next thing you can check is your internet connection. If you're using your Wi-Fi, you can switch to your mobile data, and after switching, again switch to your Wi-Fi and your problem might be fixed. So that's how you can fix your Roblox error code 268 on mobile. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.